Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your Instagram liked reels. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply all you need to do is just to go to your profile and you will see your liked uh, Instagram posts and reels. To do so, we will need just to go to the profile here in Instagram. And after that, we will be needing to go to the three horizontal lines here and we click on it. And then we will need just to search for the Instagram interactions section. So here you will find how you use Instagram section, and basically we will find your activity. And this is the one that we are interested in. And basically based on your interactions, you will find all your activity, all the posts in the reels that you have commented, all the posts and reels that you have liked, the ones that you are tagged in, the stickers, response, like polls, etc., in the reviews, and all your activities. And basically, since we want to view all our Instagram, like the reels, we will need just to click on the likes. And basically here, we will find all the content from posts to reels. So here, you will need just to start sorting and basically here you will find you will need just to go to Reels and click on apply. And now we will have only the Reels that you have liked. And basically you can start selecting them and you can unlike them or do whatever you want. And also you can start choosing or to filter by author if you would like. You can just clear or whatever it is. And you can also start sorted them by oldest to newest, newest to oldest, etc., etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.